July 29, 2022, officers observed a female walking in the middle of the road. She was exhibiting signs of intoxication, and when questioned, she expressed suicidal intentions and a desire to die.
Yeah, you good. Hey, come on. Come over here. Come on. This way. Let's go this way. Come on, this way. Escort you. You okay? What's going on?
I'm telling you, over here.
Come. Let's sit on the sidewalk. Right here. What's going on?
Nothing. I hate everybody.
Why you hate everybody? What's going on today?
Why would I talk to you? The sun is bright.
Okay, well, let's go this way. Why you hate everybody?
Ma'am, come sit over here with the shade. Hey, come sit down in the shade. Okay.
What's your name?
I'm sure you're looking up.
What's your name? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Why do you have blood on your
I
side?
don't know.
Do you need the fire department?
No. Yeah, but like the fire department.
What's your name?
Alright, figure it out.
Yeah, for real, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah, but why
Said
is it?
Spell it out for me, Daniel.
Daniel.
What's your last name?
What's going on? What's going on today? What's happening?
Yeah. Hey, I don't have a phone to you.
You don't, but we hear about your welfare. You was walking in the middle of the road.
Well, I have really good friends out there, and then they're out there, and
who's your
and you're
friends?
not my friend. So.
Who's your friend?
You have a date of birth?
2581.
2581. Who's your friends?
Why would I miss you?
Danny. I'm just trying to help
I'm not
you.
even no.
Daniel?
You're talking about wrong motherfucker.
What's your name? Listen, I'm really concerned about you, okay?
Well, you know what?
Have you been drinking? I can smell it coming out for you.
Yes,
where do you,
I haven't.
Where do you live at?
Not.
Huh? Call.
It's got to be the county shit.
Okay. Hey, call FD. This gonna turn into a marchman.
What is it gonna turn what?
A marchman.
Why?
Because you walking in the middle of the road. Listen. You highly intoxicated. I can smell it coming.
But I got friends, bro, and it's like you just grab me.
Okay.
No, so.
You stand by with her?
How much did you drink last night?
I've been drinking a lot. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. No, I know it doesn't matter. I'm trying to make sure that you're okay, right?
I'm not okay. Whatever you say, I'm not being released. So
607.
if I could, I would like keep boxing is wrong. Yeah.
10-4-9, thank you. What else is going on?
I want to die. Not dead.
Why would you say that?
I'm alive.
What makes you say that? Why?
Because I want to be dead and I hate life.
Why do you hate life? Because what got you? What got you to that point, though? I'm trying to help you.
Bro, like life, bro.
Life?
How do you want to die?
Okay, what I want to do is,
What do you want to do?
I don't want to do nothing. I'm gonna...
You just told this officer that you want to kill yourself, okay?
You told me you don't want to live anymore, you want to die.
Alright, next one words of us. Okay. How have you felt? Like, you get situations, ever felt like sad things?
So you sad? Are you depressed?
Well, I get sad and depressed.
Okay. Are you sad and depressed right now?
No, I'm not.
So why did you tell this officer you want to kill yourself?
Because I was sad and depressed in the moment.
Because you said, okay, sweet, thank you. That's all I needed to know.
I want to know what happened. How'd you get the blood on your leg?
No blood.
On your left leg there. Right there on the side. Is that bruising? Or
fucking bruise.
right there. Right there, there's blood.
Maybe attacked.
The officers were worried for the female's well-being and invoked the Baker Act, which provides emergency mental health services and temporary detention for people with mental illness. The Baker Act is similar to an emergency department for people experiencing a medical emergency.
Who's the person who can pick you up?
I got no people.
No people to come pick you up.
No, everybody hates me. You hear that?
Okay, so based on what you told this officer, I'm placing you under Baker Act, or protective custody under Baker Act, okay? You understand that? So when the fire department get here, they're probably going to transport you to St. Anthony's, okay?
Okay,
All right.
let me go like
You stand by. I'm done with the paperwork. I'm just waiting for them to get here.
Bro, can I just run and then...
No. We gotta get you checked out.
Fuck, bro, it's not...
Stand the ground.
You hear that shit?
Hey.
I'm not doing this.
Stay on the ground.
I'm not doing this.
Stay on the ground,
I'm
okay?
not sitting here.
All right, well, just don't get up,
Alright.
okay?
It's not fair. It's not fair, man. He's fine. It's fine.
I got you.
I just want to do this.
Listen, from what you
I
told
wanna
me,
do
and you're running out in the street, right?
Well, yeah, I'm around the street.
Hey, we gotta get
Just
you
let me
checked.
go.
We gotta get you checked out. You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble.
Dude, you and me, let's get you checked out.
I got checked out already. All right. Hey, so she's highly intoxicated. Was making some statements about hurting herself.
Zero. Yeah, I know.
Hey, no, we're not going.
No, that's up,
No,
bro.
we're not going.
I hate that all this Spanish shit.
No, okay.
Get away.
Let me
No,
have
no,
your
that
Man.
ain't cool.
So,
No, you touch me.
Are we gonna do this the nice way, or are you gonna go in handcuffs?
Listen, I'm English. Don't touch me.
English. Oh, my name is Jonathan.
Yeah.
My name is Jonathan. My partner is Chris.
This is you and whatever.
What's your name? Tell me. I guess like your name is like Mary.
Okay,
Are we gonna go with?
listen. I'm going with you. I'm disrespecting. Yes, let's go.
Okay, so let's go.
Sorry.
We are gonna take care of you.
I know. Okay. Don't even talk to me. The goddamn word. Okay. Yes.
The female's demeanor quickly turned racist and uncooperative before she attempted to swing at one of the officers.
Are we gonna go with them the nice way, or are we gonna go
I'm
ahead?
going the nice way. That's what I just said.
Okay, so
Okay?
So stand
That's what I
up.
just said.
So stand up. Okay.
Just said that shit. Didn't I?
Okay. You ready? Let's go with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go walking my own way.
Let's go.
Listen, you gonna go with them or you going to Pam's?
We're on here.
She gotta go with y'all.
Yeah.
Hey,
Let's go.
I'll print off the paperwork.
the stretch out just so.
I'll print it off for you guys. That paperwork, okay?
oh, they're laughing about it. You're fine.
I'm just checking on you.
Hey, checking on you.
Man,
Yeah.
you're gonna fall over.
I'm not falling over because I'm not. I don't care.
Man,
You.
let's go.
Bitch.
Man,
Oh.
get on the ground. Get on the ground.
You're a pussy. I'm a horse.
Hey, grab my back up there.
I like it.
Yep.
He's a pussy. He's a white. What else would you? You ain't get a by a woman? Yeah, you're a what else pussy?
Get up. Come on.
White man. White man. White man. Sorry. Goddamn. You would take the punch, right?
We're going to jail now.
Oh, duh.
Congratulations.
I don't care. Wait, you
Get in! Get in!
Get in the car.
Hey, give me.
There you go.
See? There you go.
Wow, my friend.
You ready, Miss Johnson? You mean it? Come on, let's go.
Oh, yeah, whatever.
Come on.
Oh, God, you're the persona.
Damn, I'm ugly too.
Here. Why you gotta be so rude? Oh, why not?
Go that way.
Oh, yeah.
need to get a bigger box of those. Not big enough.
Yeah.
You're a badass. You're like a
Don't do that.
Sergeant.
That's not.
look. What's gonna better, differ? It doesn't matter, right? Doesn't matter. Yeah, you better just walk away.
No, I'm not walking away.
You gotta get him.
Relax, or you're gonna go on the ground. You want to stand up? You want to sit on the ground?
I like to know.
Just chill out. Relax. I'm trying to help you. You're gonna hurt your wrist. Stop moving. You're gonna hurt your wrist. I'll move the cuffs to the front and be more comfortable. Okay? Take a breath.
Are you doing the back or the side?
I'll have one on this side. It
gonna-
has to be the back.
Back. Okay.
Got it? Yeah, hold it. This one. Got it? Yeah.